Hello, this is John with NOWCAST, and I see that you're either a athletic director, you're a coach, or you're a parent, or just a local community sports fan that want to see all athletes be highlighted and showcased for your community team. Hello, my name is John with NOWCAST, and I'm going to show you real quickly how easy it is for any school, whether you are elementary school for T-ball, or a middle school, or a high school, semi-pro, and even professional can easily create a local sports app that would allow you to showcase all athletes that are part of your organization. To do this, the first thing you want to do is simply upload your videos like you would for YouTube and for Facebook. Drag and drop your videos here, and once you drag and drop your videos in this place, you would then open up the basic info of that video automatically, and you'll type in your title, your subtitle, all your basic information, the description of that video. You will see your video here once it's uploaded. And then at the bottom, there's a lot of cool bells and whistles, but we'll go over that in the real demo. We'll come to the bottom where you will upload your thumbnail that will represent that video. So you'll choose these three different sizes because you'll use all three different sizes at different parts of the app. And finally, the pricing. Is this a free video for everyone? Anybody can watch it on your TV channel or on your mobile app. Is it free for anyone, or is it free but it requires a free account for everyone to do, which is an easy way for you to build your database? Or is it a paid video, meaning that anyone that wants to watch this video will have to be part of one of these prices, and you choose the pricing. It can be anything you want to be for it to be. In this case, it's $7.99 per month, 59.99 for the year, or there's no ads for the video. So you can choose which one of these that fits best for you, or you may just want a pay-per-view option where it's just a one-time price. You get to choose this. In this case, I'm just going to hit free for everyone. Click save. Once I've uploaded the video, let me show you how easy it is to design your mobile and TV app. Now, once I have my mobile app in place, to design this is really simple. It's drag and drop. You don't have to be a coder. You don't have to be even a big editor. Follow the easy steps that we give you, and you'll be able to put this together with no problem. If you want the banner off, click turn off. If you want the banner on, turn it back on. You may even want a video to be your banner. That's no problem at all. You simply just click the video that you want to be your video header, and that will solve that problem. We're going to put back the banner that was in place there. Let's say we can change the app configuration. Let's go to lines, right? They can go to squares. You can go to rectangles. You can go, let's say you want the titles that are below off, just turn them off. If you want a smaller box like landscape, you can go back to that. You may want borders. Let's click borders. You may want to have curved edges. So as you can see, once you click save, any changes that you make to your ad, if you click preview, you will be able to see the changes that you made in real time for the whole world to see. It will change in real time on all of the app stores. So this is how easy it is for you to easily, quickly design your mobile and your TV app. You'll see your TV app in real time. Again, your title, subtitle, and description are all here for the whole world to see. So if you are a sports coach and you want to highlight the local sports in your community, this is the easy and inexpensive platform for you to use. Click the button below, take a 30-second quiz to see if you qualify for a full demo of Nowcast, because we hope we can work with you and help you create a very special sports channel for your whole entire community to enjoy. Happy creating.